Hello, people. It is me again. So I'm making a little quick update here. So yeah, I'm sad to say, yeah, we all probably know there is going in the wrong direction. So like Trump, Netanyahu, and the EU puppets, they gone crazy, and yeah, the Iran war is escalating, and the Strait of Hormuz remains closed. So yeah, I want to talk about a little bit about what has happened. So I think that the latest like events and developments in both the Ukraine war and the Iran war suggest that there is no chance for like diplomacy and stuff like that, and yeah, so and escalation is the only way, and who knows where that's gonna end, how that's gonna end. So and yeah, the global economy will likely collapse, and yeah, and all these resources, like supply chains, resources, will probably be impacted severely. Also, I just saw Macron is like saying Europe is ready to fight and stuff, but I don't really believe anything he says. So I don't really take that guy serious at all. So also, yeah, as we know, the Strait of Hormuz remains closed, and that's gonna be a big problem. So for everyone, so that's just the reality. Um, I think it's these people, they're doing it by purpose because yeah, of reasons I have been talking about. So for reasons have been talking about. So yeah, it looks a lot like we all getting played, and by a bunch of rich billionaires who are trying to enslave us and whatever. So that's not very very good news. So yeah, so yeah, that's my little update.